Trapped inside the jungle with no source or control. Saying, Lord, save your soul. If this heaven show you proof, hell's the only thing you know, man. You been fly, you been broke, you been high, you been low. Searching for salvation with no navigation, where to go? You're from the bottom. Mission impossible, any obstacle. Anybody said they're gonna stop you, dude? Shoot the bull with an actual wall, so no problem. Still feel lost down here, gone down here. Pain is blood, there's scars down here. Got pie in the sky, but we starve down here. The rich live, they greed more. The poor died, you grieve more. And even with that said, somehow you survive. You just drop off your luck, somehow you uprise now. Get ready for the road. You're from a place where it's strong surviving. That's just all you know. It's kinda hard, but you remain a giant. Get ready for the road. You're from a place where it's strong surviving. That's just all you know. It's kinda hard, but you remain a lion out in the jungle. Right now, using your gift right now, just to make it big right now, trying to live right now, show hating kids right now, success your revenge right now, get it in right now, shopping for greatness, distraction cannot be weakness right now. The way that they reach to take the shot from me, that they playing defense right now. Question, ain't nothing accepted but profession and perfection. That's evident, but legacy's an exception. What's your preference? Goes together and be growing better till you know forever. That's the whole endeavor. Coming from a place where survive 25 is the only pleasure, so it's never falling for whatever that they told us. Forever, taking back everything that they owe us. So no love, somehow you the king, you so you conquered, and the best and turn you to a bigger monster now. Get ready for the road. You're on a place where it's strong surviving. That's just all you know. It's kinda hard, but you remain a giant. Get ready for the road. You're from a place where it's strong surviving. That's just all you know. It's kinda hard, but you remain a lion out in the jungle.
I'm ashamed by the lies and the worthless games, but the wine and the night made me feel okay. No other you, no other me, no other us, babe. One of a kind, and I won't let it slip away. I can see you in my head, I can see you in my bed. I can see you doing all those things we used to do instead. All the fights at 2 a.m. when you knew I was your man. The only thing I'm thinking about, I really gotta hold on. Come back home, we can fight, I can take the blame. And I bet making sex makes us feel okay. Give it back, give me love, don't you run away. Got a list, couple things that'll make you stay. I can see you in my head, I can see you in my bed. I can see you doing all those things we used to do instead. All the fights at 2 a.m. when you knew I was your man. The only thing I'm thinking about, I really gotta hold on, hold on. 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 Hold on. really gotta hold